Hello, I'm Shawn. I am an instructor with Signum University's space program. I'm here to introduce you to our module on Egyptian hieroglyphs. In the first module, we will practice recognizing and reading the hieroglyphs. You will have a better understanding of how they work, what are the things that are true about hieroglyphs, and what are the things that you've heard that might not be true. And you will be prepared to read names and put your own name into hieroglyphs. After that, we'll work on materials that you will see in museums and how to read and understand some of the more common texts. The benefit of taking a class on hieroglyphs and not just studying directly from the book by yourself is that you have people to work with, and you can ask questions and get feedback about what you're doing, what methods work and what maybe don't work as well. So I hope that you decide to take the hieroglyph class, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.